In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your screen time on your iPhone. So go ahead and go to the settings icon on your phone, and then it will take you here into settings. Now what you need to do is scroll down quite a bit, and you'll find these 4 different options, and at the bottom will be screen time, so click on that. Now you'll see your daily average for the week. If you've only just started your week, then the average might be skewed a bit. As you can see here, I've only got a full set of data for Monday, but Tuesday and the following week there's no data. If we go ahead and click on See All App and Website Activity, you can then swipe left and it can show you other days. So here we're viewing by day, and if we swipe left, we're going to get days here. We're going to get yesterday, the day before that, and it's also going to show you a breakdown through the apps as well, so you can see my most used apps. If you click on week, you're going to get a breakdown from the week, and again you can swipe back and see the previous weeks as well, and you can see a breakdown of the apps. That's how you would do it. I hope that helped.